You're looking at a 2022 Tesla Model 3 long range dual motor with 38,000 miles. It gets about 340 miles at 100% charge. Car's still under full factory warranty. Comes loaded. White exterior, white premium interior, alloy wheels, autopilot, upgradable full self-driving. Inside we've got all the goodies. Got autopilot, acceleration boost, CCS enabled, premium audio, heat pump, heated seats, heated steering wheel, smart system so you can watch and get the blind spot cameras, wireless charging pad. Exact mileage is 38890. This vehicle qualifies for the Massachusetts Mor-EV Rebate. So if your income allows you, if it qualifies, then you can have potentially $3,500 to $5,000 off. It does come with a 110 charger, power trunk. It's a nice clean car. Absolutely no issues. If you're interested, please give us a call. Phone number is 508-921-0301. Thank you.